potential. You know it as what might be. Possibilities waiting to be unleashed. And you know when you've got it. We understand the power of potential because we're not limited by anyone else's expectations. We're redefining reliability on our terms. Every assignment here is mission critical because our customers power our world. They're titans of industry with legendary histories, innovators shaping a more sustainable tomorrow, the lifeblood of infrastructure across our nation. What we do matters just as much as how we do it. When you're chasing world class, you can't compromise on talent. So we hire the best to be the best. We deliver resources and training to make them better. We pay them well so they can pursue the life they want and make their time off the clock its own reward. We unite our people as a team because together we are one IPS. From remanufacturing to engineering, from shop floor to boardroom, we respond with conviction to every call. Rethink the status quo to deliver something better and resolve each customer's issues with an unmatched customer experience. Potential is about the work that can be accomplished. And at Integrated Power Services, it's about the work that's waiting for you. Unleash your potential with North America's leading power partner.